In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your text two-lined in CapCut PC. If your on-screen title is stretching too far across the screen or getting too close to the edges of your video, this is one of the easiest ways to clean it up and make it look more professional. We're going to take a single line of text and turn it into a neatly stacked two-line title directly inside CapCut on your PC. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the text overlay you want to adjust. Once you've found the correct text asset, click on that text block one time to select it. You should see a white boundary border appear around it, confirming that it's now active. This is important because CapCut needs that text layer selected before you can edit its contents. Next, move your attention to the top right side of the screen, where the Properties panel appears. In that panel, make sure you are inside the Text tab and then check that the Basics section is open. This is where you'll find the main text editing field and the formatting controls you need for this adjustment. Now it's time to create the line break. At the top of that Properties panel, look for the large text input box that contains your title or sentence. Click directly inside the text so your cursor appears exactly between the two words where you want the split to happen. Be careful to place it in the right spot, because this determines how your title will stack visually on screen. Once the cursor is in place, press the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the text after the cursor will drop down onto a new line, giving you a clean two-line layout in the preview window. After that, you'll want to make the stacked text feel balanced. In the same text settings area, scroll down slightly until you see the alignment icons. These usually appear as small grouped horizontal lines. Click the Center Alignment option to center both lines evenly. This helps the text look polished and symmetrical, especially for titles and headings. Right below that, you can fine-tune the spacing between the two lines using the Line Space slider. Drag it left or right to decrease or increase the gap between the top and bottom lines. A smaller gap can make the title feel tighter, while a little more spacing can improve readability, depending on your font and design. And that's it. You selected the text track, opened the text properties, inserted a line break with the Enter key, centered the alignment, and adjusted the line spacing. Your two-line text is now set up and ready to use in CapCut PC.